happen. We're about to get kicked out of this motherfucker. Run for your lives, ladies. Stay on. Come on, ERK. Jeez.
You know what? Go that one.
You see how fast Scratch moved on that one?
I've never seen Don move that quick before. This reminds me of a joke. What a redneck says before he dies. Hey guys, watch this.
Hey guys, watch this, yeah.
Here's the thing, dogs not move quick. If you see a set of wheels coming straight at your fucking head, you might want to move quick.
Is that the security?
Run!
Just
Run! Run!
No.
Run! No, you're fine.
You're good. Yeah, you're gonna like this.
Hold my beer and watch this.
Hold my beer and watch this shit.
There's security.
Man, party's over.
Oh, man. Sorry, folks, park's closed. Moose out front, should have told you.
What time you leave?
They call me.